I dey greet everybody, both young and old, small and big, women and men. So as I come again for another hot topic where I want to discuss with my people. One thing in this life is that if something they happen to you, never learn from it. There is nobody will help you. Nobody. That's why you have to learn from it. Even in developed world, that they are developed, they are where they are today, is because they learn. They don't depend fully on government. Everybody is contributing one way or the other to make their place better, to make their country better. Why am I saying all these things? It's because of what is happening now in Nigeria. Apart from Mohbad, I talk about Mohbad and the father. If you know watch the video, make you go and watch it. What I mean in that video is learning. Learning. If something don't happen, maybe by mistake or maybe we don't know, we have to learn. That is why we are human beings. We need to learn from the past, from that happening, so that it no go happen again. You see, from Mohbad side is because of lot of controversies. Nobody know wetin really kill am. Some they point different kind of hands in different kind of areas. Now I talk about in that video. That we should learn from what is, because we can't return Mohbad back. So, and that is what is happening again now in Nigeria, because I find out that we Nigerians, we like blaming game. And when they do I don't care, concern anybody. Until it happen, then we got to point blaming fingers to each other, and that is why we can never grow. That is why we can never develop. Like what is happening. They point only government. Although government is bad, but we humans, we people of Nigeria are supposed to be doing our own small contribution. Why am I saying all these things? Mohbad own don't happen. And now some of his friends and some few people, now everybody they suspect. But there's another one now that is happening that we neglect. I come across this man called Very Dark Man in video. I know they watch him video. I know now before, it's not my friend. I know they follow him. But as I come about it, just about a week ago, where they talk about fake products, fake skincare products in Nigeria. Why is fighting for it and everything, Well, I say it's one of the content. I like his content, but I know they follow him. Until few days ago now, I can't hear about threatening his life. People are threatening. People are planning all kinds of things to kill him. And nobody is concerned now. Nobody, they talk about them. All the influencers, all the bloggers, all the content creators, everybody online focus on Mohbad, blaming people. But there's another one cooking, and many other ones like that where we never even know, So we they blame them now. If anything, we forget about them. Nobody get interest. If anything happen to them now, people go full online. They talk. So that's why I say make I talk about it. Make I use this my small page. Make I talk about it, because I dey tell Nigerians, we cannot move. We can never move if we continue like that. We can never learn if we continue like that. Why we support evil? Why are we supporting evil? What is this dark-skinned man do? Because he's the only proud man, only person where take his life, they take risk. Nobody they pay him. The small money where get, they take them, they open pages, they talk about bad things in social media, and now una don't they face them, leave other big problems where they for Nigeria. Una just they face them, make una kill them, make una remove them. That is evil. That is evil, because he don't do any bad thing. If you watch all his video, he's fighting for me and you. He's fighting the fight where our Our police, our army, our other security agents cannot fight. Now one person just dey risk his life. Instead of we to support him, instead of all these people wey get channel, media channels in all over the places, to begin talk about her, to report the people that dey against am to police, to authority, una just dey there, dey look, dey watch. Wetin dey happen to us? Why do we hate ourselves? Why do we hate ourselves? On Sunday like this, now everybody, some of them go there for church. Sunday, they shout, they cry, you go think say them be person. We can never move forward. We can never move forward if we continue like this. I did discuss with one of my Igbo friends recently. So he was telling me that one of our problems is like we feel nonchalant. We feel neglected. We don't even care to help ourselves. And that is true. In Africa today, why we are where we are is because we don't care about ourselves. We just they look elsewhere. Like say they wait for Messiah to come and help us develop our country. No way. Look at this small one. Look at this man that take all his life, forget everything when they do. He has a nice body. I think he's into bodybuilding. He can make money with it. He can really make money with it. And advert and all through advert and other things. But he live and come the fight where me and you no fit fight. Make we reason am now. Good. Good. So I'm encouraging everybody, every vloggers, every media mogul, every content creator, anybody where have channel, even ordinary people where get Facebook page or TikTok, or Instagram or YouTube, make you use your channel to broadcast, to talk about it. Use your channel to inform the police. You can go and inform the authority anywhere about what is happening to the life of this guy. Because it's not a joke. It's not a joke. Now people are taking it as joke, but it's a serious thing. Somebody go just there, they plan about to bring somebody where no hurt am, to bring his life down, to bring his happiness down. What kind of life are we living? What kind of human beings are we? So that is why I say make I talk am. Before you go there too late now, we go begin blame, because that is all the thing where we they do well, to blame each other, blaming game. No be me cause and why these people do this. Some people go come they cry. Nonsense. We have to do something. Please, let everybody, we join our hands together and save this man, because he's doing a wonderful job. He's helping everybody. He's trying his own to make Nigeria better. Make we come together. Any small thing where you feel help to make that country better, because we no get another one. Make we do them. I beg everybody, make we do them, because it's only useless man know where he come from. It's only useless man they destroy where in there. This is the only place we have. This is the only country we have. So let's come together and save it. Report any yama, any nonsense against very dark man to police, to authority, so that we go save this man life. That's why I'm still the same, Kenny Chup. If you get this message, please share it, follow, so that we will be bringing good content to you people.